Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is one of my Bosch washing machines. I've got two of them in the cellar. It's been on 1 minute there for a good 15 minutes and it's rotating the laundry still. It was on a 40-degree regular wash, but it looks like the laundry's still soaking wet, which suggests a fault with the drain. So I'm gonna, I think, just stop it by turning it off, letting out the water what's in it, and trying to make some sense of it. It's soaking wet, but maybe it didn't get a load balance for a spin, but that wouldn't make sense that it's gone down to the 1 minute then, because it would still stay up around 10 or 15 minutes because it hasn't done its spin yet. How peculiar. It's just caught in a loop, I think. It seems to just be tumbling, agitating one way and then the other. This is my washing machine door washing up bowl. Nope, excuse me. So I'm just letting out that water now. It could be that the pump isn't working at all. There could be something small stuck in the pump, which is quite a possibility. I do believe I've checked this recently enough, so I'm not sure why that would be. And of course it isn't really recommended to empty the pump while the machine's still switched on. But yeah, look, there's some quite dirty water coming out there. And I don't know that there was anything particularly dirty in the laundry, so we'll get this water drained out and see what's in that lint filter. Just got a bit more light there. It is quite bizarre that it's gone down to 1 minute though. Now it started taking on more water there, so I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to keep just cycling water through it when the laundry is already quite wet. So I'll turn it back on whenever we get it there. And it's just filling up a second bowl now, so I'll empty that, and it's just all the wet laundry draining through. So that's it, it's coming down after 2 bowls practically. Let's get that in underneath there. Just keep catching the drips, and I'll put a cloth, if I can tuck a cloth in here, underneath the filter. I wonder if there is something stuck in it. I don't think I've ever found anything interesting in any of my own filters. Bits of fluff there. Pump appears to be working. Let's just have a look. It's just fluff. There's nothing more than fluff in there. I wonder, is the motor in it dead or something like that? So what I'll do is I'll put on a drain cycle, see if that does anything, although it shouldn't really, because, well, there's no water in it anymore. So let's try a rinse and freshen up cycle, 20 minutes. Start that, rinse. So that's the pump going around there, you can see that. I shouldn't really take this off when it's turned on. That's the pump trying to get a start before it takes in water up on top for the rinse. I know some washers bizarrely have this feature where if there's no water in them, oh no, not this one. Some washers anyway have this feature where if there's no water in them, they won't begin. That sounds like we're taking on water. Coming in the pre-wash side. So I'll leave that to see what happens. Pump's definitely working, but it wasn't pumping out. It looks like it got caught somewhere around the wash cycle because it hadn't drained off the soapy water. But yeah, I'll report back once that or if that cycle finishes. So there you go, it's down to 0. Door lock's gone, and it appears to have spun, so it's, you know, quite light, especially the towels in there. Let's put this back together. I don't really know what the fault was there. It must have thought it, well, it's like the pump wasn't working, I guess. There doesn't seem to be much else to describe it, you know. So it's had a kind of a half a wash, got stuck at 1 minute. Don't really know why that was. And then I just put it onto the rinse and freshen up cycle. Took 20 minutes and it just ran through normally. There you go. If you've got any ideas what was going on there, let me know in the comments. It's a bit of a mystery to me. Yeah, nothing, you know, nothing springs to mind. I'll get this laundry hung out. Thanks for watching. See you later.